everyone. Welcome to EA Home Design. Thanks for joining today's episode. We will know top 5 flooring trends in 2022. So let's start today's episode. Number 1. Engineered hardwood flooring. Engineered hardwood is the best in luxury flooring, offering real wood veneers with the highest level of detail and quality. Choose from a number of popular wood species to elevate your home. Number 2. Eco-friendly flooring. The recycled flooring trend is highly popular this year. Carpet is at the forefront of this movement. Because green, or eco-friendly flooring is so big right now, almost all carpet is now being made from recycled materials, such as plastic soda bottles and even fishing nets. Number 3. Wood look flooring. While solid hardwood is still widely sought after in the kitchen, homeowners are beginning to discover more low-maintenance options that rival the look of solid hardwood. Number 4. Stone look flooring. Natural stone looks are becoming more popular due to their surge in accessibility. Genuine slate or travertine can be pricey, but now you can achieve these gorgeous stone looks without the price tag. Number 5. Marble look flooring. Both classic and contemporary, the marble look is a great way to update your home. With beautiful swirling patterns, marble looks offer a one-of-a-kind, luxurious appearance. Today our episode so far. If you like our video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And EA Home Design is always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.